Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Peshawar Public School and College. Today we will discuss about chapter number 13, SNP block elements, lecture number 5, reaction of chlorine with period 3 elements. Reactions of chlorine with period 3 elements. So number 1, we will discuss reaction of sodium with chlorine. When sodium is reacted with chlorine, it burns with a bright orange flame and result in the formation of white solid sodium chloride. In the same way, when magnesium is reacted with chlorine, it burns with intense white flame and result in the formation of white solid magnesium chloride. Magnesium is taken in the form of magnesium ribbon. For a specific apparatus is used for these reactions. For observing these reactions practically, watch these videos. Now reaction number 3, reaction of aluminium with chlorine. When 1 mole of aluminium foil, it is heated in a long glass tube and the dry chlorine gas is passed over it from a cylinder, it results in the formation of pale yellow aluminium chloride. A specific apparatus is also used for this reaction. Aluminium chloride is volatile in nature. To avoid this, we use the specific apparatus. Now the chlorine which we use in the dried condition in this experiment, to keep it in the dried condition, we use for it soda lime and calcium chloride. During this reaction, the aluminium chloride, it undergoes the process of sublimation. The sublimation is that process in which the solid convert into vapors directly, and then in the end we get the aluminium chloride in the condensed solid form, in which the vapors are again converted back into solid. About the structure of all these compounds like sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and aluminium chloride, we will discuss in the next lecture, physical properties of chlorides, inshallah. And during this reaction, one thing in addition, listen it, the different forms of aluminium chlorides are obtained, which we will observe now in this video. Reaction number 4, reaction of silicon with chlorine. When silicon in the powdered form is heated in a tube and a dried chlorine gas is passed over it, the reaction is exothermic reaction and it results in the formation of silicon tetrachloride, which is a colorless liquid. It will first vaporize and then it will condense back into the solid form. The tube during the reaction is rotated to allow the silicon to be attacked by the chlorine from each side. You will observe this now in the next video. Reaction number 5, reaction of phosphorus with chlorine. When the more reactive form of phosphorus, which is P4, when it is treated with the green chlorine gas, it results in the formation of two types of chlorides, phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus trichloride is a colorless fuming liquid, while phosphorus pentachloride is of white color, and when after that it will changes into yellow solid. In phosphorus trichloride, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +3, while in phosphorus pentachloride, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +5. For observing the reactions of these two elements, phosphorus with chlorine, watch these videos. Dear students, you have observed in the previous videos, in each video or in each experiment, they have added soda lime and calcium chloride to keep the chlorine gas in the dried condition. Soda lime is a mixture of calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide. Now next is the reaction number 6, the reaction of sulfur with chlorine. When sulfur is heated with chlorine, it results in the formation of disulfur dichloride or sulfur monochloride, which is a compound of orange color with unpleasant smell. Now next is the reaction number 7, which is the reaction of chlorine and argon. Actually, as we have already discussed, that argon is inert toward reactions. So here we can say that argon do not form any chlorides when it is treated with chlorine gas. For observing the reaction of chlorine with sulfur practically, watch this video. Now the homework, a question is provided to you. Write and do practice of chlorine reaction with period 3 elements. So learn and practice this question. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.